Hello, my name is Rebecca Lewis, and I'm the co-director of the Globe Implementation Office. I direct the community engagement and support team at the GIO, which means that we work with the Globe participants around the world to connect them both to one another and to scientific research. We work to connect the Globe community to NASA missions as well as to other research projects that can benefit from citizen scientists participating. Oftentimes, these researchers need to collect data from around the world, and the time and expense to be able to travel and collect all of those data from many different locations would make their research nearly impossible. That's where citizen scientists like you are so essential. So I'm really excited to be here today on World Water Day. Water is such an essential part of our world. It connects us as humans, and it is important for us to keep track of our water, see what is happening with it, and thinking about how we can continue to ensure that we are taking care of our water supplies, as well as making sure that there is clean, accessible water for all of the people on this planet. We at the Globe program are so excited that participants from Globe are able to contribute to our understanding of water systems using the Globe protocols. Citizen science efforts like Globe truly are an enormous asset to our scientific community and to making sure that we continue to advance Earth system science. So thank you all for all of your contributions to Globe and for adding your data to our 30 plus years of data in the Globe program.
Greetings from the Globe Implementation Office. My name is Rebecca Boger, and I am a co-director of the Globe Implementation Office. Specifically, I direct the science, training, education, and public engagement. Very excited to be here today to talk to you about water, one of my favorite subjects, and to celebrate your participation in International World Water Day. As we all know, water is essential for life, and we need to provide access to clean water to everyone around the world. And we need to provide clean ecosystems for all of the organisms that we share this world with. Globe citizen science data contributes to our understanding of water system. The water-related protocols, of which there are many, connect to satellite missions and improve our understanding of Earth system science. It's increasing our understanding at local to global scales. When I look at the student research through the Virtual Science Symposium, I am continually amazed and inspired by the work that's being done by students around the world and the impact that they are having on their communities. Just to name a few examples, students in Oman have cleaned up a waterway and increased tourism opportunities and had an impact on the economic development in their community. Students in Brazil are looking at lakes, the water quality and lake levels, and contributing to a better understanding of how these water resources should be managed. Students are looking at mosquito habitat in the early life stages, where mosquitoes in their eggs and larval stages require water, and cleaning up those habitats, understanding where they are, and lessening the occurrence of dengue and malaria and other mosquito-borne diseases in their communities. This is very powerful. And I look forward to seeing what the students do in the next 30 years of Globe and how they contribute to our Earth as a system, to our communities, to make this a healthier, more resilient planet.
Hello from the 2026 Virtual Science Symposium team. I am so excited to be here with you today with Christina Buffington. We are representing the Globe Implementation Office, Science, Education, Training, and Public Engagement team on this Rivers in Spring International World Water Day in Mantova, Italy, to share with you about the 2026 Virtual Science Symposium this year. And we had a great turnout with the 2026 VSS with 340 projects submitted this year. And our Globe researchers submitted 320 full investigations along with 20 project proposals. And we had participation from all 6 Globe regions and from participants of all ages. So that spans from lower primary students to undergraduate and postgraduate and citizen scientists.
1/3 of all of the projects submitted were hydrosphere projects, and these came from all globe regions. 63 projects came from the Asia and Pacific region, and 59 of them were from Thailand. As far as the ages of participants, 3/4 of the participants were secondary students, and they presented on a variety of water topics using all of the hydrosphere protocols.
And while we would love to share all of the great projects that were submitted, we're going to highlight 2 today. The project spotlighted on the left is from the Estonian Learning Expedition. And this team studied the relationship between benthos, water chemistry, and human activity in the Yalume Trench. And this is a great example of how Globe fills a gap in water quality monitoring where local authorities might not be able to monitor every waterway. You can access this project and explore it by using the QR code shown on the screen here on the left. And another really interesting project shown on the right was submitted by a team in Thailand, and they developed an eco-friendly hydrocarbon absorbing robotic fish for community water improvement. You can see a picture of their robotic fish design on the right, and they used this to see if they could treat wastewater discharge in local waterways. They used a variety of water chemistry protocols, and they found that their robotic fish could effectively treat waste or local waterways. And so we encourage you to check out their project through the QR code on the screen here.
So we want to close by just saying thank you and celebrating water around the world and celebrating a very successful 2026 Virtual Science Symposium. Thanks to all reviewers and mentors and students and participants who submitted projects.